Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Welcome. To begin buying shares on Interactive Brokers, your first step is to open an account. This involves completing an application and providing necessary documentation. Once your account is approved, you will need to fund it. You can typically do this via a bank transfer, wire transfer, or other electronic methods. Make sure your funds have settled, which might take a few business days, before you attempt to place any trades. This ensures a smooth start to your investing journey. Once your account is set up and funded, log in to the Interactive Brokers platform, either through the Trader Workstation desktop application or the convenient IBKR mobile app. Use the search bar, usually found at the top, to locate the specific company whose shares you wish to purchase. It is crucial to verify the stock symbol and ensure you are selecting the correct exchange, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, to avoid any errors in your trade. After finding your desired stock, click the Buy button to bring up the order entry panel. Here, you will choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you are willing to pay. Next, specify the exact number of shares you want to acquire. Before finalizing, meticulously review all the details, including the stock symbol, order type, quantity, and estimated cost, to ensure accuracy. After placing your buy order, you can monitor its status in the Orders section. Once executed, your new shares will appear in your portfolio. Interactive Brokers allows you to set up price alerts, notifying you of significant market movements or news affecting your holdings. Be aware of trading fees, which are generally quite low, often just a few dollars per trade, depending on the order size and type. Regularly reviewing your portfolio helps you stay informed about your investments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.